So let's start with the installation part. So basically we have to install three things. First is Python, second is Virtualbox, and third is our Vagrant server. So for the installation of the Python, just go to this website, that is python.org, and go to the download section, and here you can simply click this Python 3.9.0. It will simply install an installer on Mac as well as on Linux or Windows, whatever operating system you are working on. So mine is already installed. So basically it will download this installer. If you double click on it, it will pop up with you the installation instructions. You can follow these instructions. These are pretty simple instructions. It's basically just simple next, I agree, and continue. So if you like face any difficulty in downloading the Python, just please let us know in the comment section below. We will try to help you out. And same goes with uh, VirtualBox. Just go to this website, that is virtualbox.org, and click on this button, that is download VirtualBox 6.1. So we are using VirtualBox to run our guest operating system. So most probably we'll be running the Ubuntu with some X flavor. So either you can download the VirtualBox or you can download a VMware. Anything will work. So just choose the operating system from this list. Mine is OS X host. So it will again download a simple installer, and you can just click next, I agree, okay. So it's a pretty straightforward installation. And same goes with Vagrant. Just go to this website, that is vagrantapp.com, and click on this download button. Select the operating system and download this installer. So these are the pretty much uh, same procedure of installing everything. So if you guys face any problem, let us know in the discussion section below, and we will try to help you out. And to verify that these things are downloaded properly, just go to your terminal. For Windows, guys, I just want to recommend that please use git bash instead of terminal or a command prompt. So open the terminal and type python 3. Now for the Windows guys, you just need to type Python, and for the Linux and Mac OS guys, just type Python 3, because in the Mac and Linux, Python comes as a default, but the default version is Python 2. So we have to explicitly mention that we want to run the Python version 3. So just enter, and you will get this shell. If the Python is properly installed, you can play around here. For example, you can run any Python code. Same goes with Windows guys as well. So just exit from here, and to check whether the Vagrant is downloaded successfully or not, you have this command, that is Vagrant. So just type Vagrant and hit tab, and it should be auto completed. So it means that the Vagrant is downloaded successfully. Now let's go ahead and like create our first Vagrant file. So let's navigate to desktop and create a simple directory, that is my dummy Vagrant. Just navigate into this directory, and to initialize this directory with a Vagrant file, just type this command, that is vagrant init. Now this command will create a simple Vagrant file into our system. So if we type ls, we can see that a Vagrant file is created. And if we want to like see the content of this file, just type simple vim Vagrant file. So this is the bare minimum Vagrant file, which comes by default if you run Vagrant init. We will replace this content in the next video with our original content, which we are going to use in our Django project. So this is how we initialize a simple directory with a Vagrant server. In the next video, I will talk about like how we can run the Vagrant server, and how we can connect our local machine with that Vagrant server and run our basic commands. So let's see you in the next video.